Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super straightforward way to save contacts from Google Sheets directly into your Google Contacts. If you've ever had a long list of emails or phone numbers in a spreadsheet and wondered, how do I actually get these into my address book without typing them all over again? This tutorial is for you. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know the exact steps to manually add someone from your Google Sheet to your Google Contacts, making sure you never lose track of those important connections. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. So suppose you have your Google Sheet open, maybe it's a class list, client roster, or a simple list of family and friends you want to add to your contacts. The first thing you'll want to do is look towards the top right corner of your screen. Up there among all those little icons, there's one that kind of looks like two people standing side by side. That's the Google Contacts or People icon. Sometimes it's easy to miss, so just take a moment and scan the area. If you hover over it, it should even say Contacts or something similar. Don't worry if it takes a second to find. Google likes to nestle these handy shortcuts right where we need them. Once you spot the Contacts icon, give it a click. When you do, a side panel will pop out along the right side of your screen. This is your shortcut directly into Google Contacts right from within Sheets. It's like opening a little address book while you're still working, so you never have to flip between tabs or apps. Now let's actually start adding a contact. At the top of this side panel, you're going to want to look for a big button or link that says Create Contact. Go ahead and click that. Think of this as opening a blank notebook page ready for your new contacts details. It's where you'll copy over the information from your spreadsheet. Now this is the part where it pays to be a little thorough. When you add a new contact, you'll see places for their name, email address, phone number, company, and maybe even notes. You don't have to fill in every box, just whatever you've got in your Google Sheet. Let's say you're copying in someone named Alex Smith, just copy Alex's name, paste it into the name field, and then do the same with their email or phone number, whatever you have. If the spreadsheet has extra info, like an address or a job title, you'll see those fields too. It's a bit like transferring a handwritten note into your phone, steady, careful, and making sure you don't leave out anything important. Take your time with this step. It might take a couple of minutes if you're moving info for several contacts. And don't worry if you have to jump back and forth between the sheet and the contact panel. It's totally normal and helps make sure everything ends up in the right spot. Once you've filled in all the details you need, it's as simple as hitting the Save button at the bottom of the panel. That locks in your new contact, and you'll instantly see their name pop into your address book. If you need to add more people, just repeat the same process. It's like building your personal Rolodex, one step at a time. And that's it, you've successfully moved a contact from Google Sheets into Google Contacts. This might seem small, but it's a real time saver and helps keep all your important info right at your fingertips, whether you're sending emails, making calls, or just staying organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own. I love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.